I'll guide you through downloading and installing the Bilibili Global app in just a few simple steps. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Bilibili now offers an official global version designed for international users, which you can download directly from major mobile app stores without needing region workarounds or mainland accounts. If you are using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store and type Bilibili in the search bar. Look for the official app listed under the developer name Bilibili or Balaboom Pte. Limited. Tap Install and wait for the download to finish. If the Google Play Store is unavailable in your region, you can also download the official Android APK file directly from Bilibili's official global website at bilibili.tv or a trusted APK repository like UpToDown. When downloaded, install it on your device. For iPhone and iPad users, open the Apple App Store, search for Bilibili, and look for the international app titled Bilibili or Bilibili HD. Tap Get, confirm the installation using your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password, and let the app download to your home screen. Once installed, tap the icon to launch Bilibili Global for the first time. The app will automatically set its interface language to match your phone system settings. Accept the terms of service and allow necessary permissions, such as storage access for video playback and notifications, to complete the setup. To create a Bilibili account without ID verification, click to watch this video right here. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.